Welcome to within. There is nothing outside of you that you need. The light, the clarity, the wind have always lived within. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. There is nothing you need to fix, nothing you need to chase, nothing you need to become. You are already here. I feel my body grounded, present, safe. I notice the quiet around me, a soft stillness, as if the world has paused just for me. From within my chest, a warm, gentle light begins to glow. It does not come from the outside. It has always been here. I feel it expanding slowly, peacefully, naturally. This light is not loud. It does not rush. It simply is. With each breath, the light grows clearer. This light is not loud. It does not rush. It simply is. I feel calm, confidence settling into my body. Not excitement, not force. Certainty. I stand up and take a step forward. In front of me, there is a door. I already know this door. It feels familiar, as if I have been here before. I feel trust moving through me. I open the door. As it opens, light flows from me into the space beyond. I step inside. This space responds to my presence. The air feels clean, soft, alive. My feet touch the floor, cool, grounded, real. I look around. This is my space, Everything here reflects who am I. Everything here reflects who I am becoming, not someday, but now. I feel abundance not as money, but as ease. I feel success not as pressure, but as alignment. I feel love not as need, but as overflow. The light inside me grows brighter, filling the room effortlessly. Nothing needs to be pulled toward me. Nothing needs to be proven. Reality responds to my inner state. I feel guided, supported, held by something greater than my mind. I trust God. I trust timing. I trust the path unfolding before me. I am not waiting for permission. I am not preparing for life. I am living from within. I take another slow breath. And I let gratitude rise naturally. Not because everything is perfect, but because I am connected. The light within me is stable, calm, unshakable. I know this feeling. This is my foundation. I gently bring my awareness back to my breath, back to my body, back to this moment. The light remains. It always will, because it was never outside of me. Stay here for a moment. Let this state settle into your body. Carry it with you. Within, the light is already yours.